Time now for Eyewitness News. Call 12 for action. Are you paying sales tax when you don't need to?
As Eyewitness News consumer reporter Susan Campbell found out, online and mail order shoppers need to check their receipts very carefully.
Most shoes and clothes are tax exempt in Rhode Island. So when an out-of-state online clothing company tacked on sales tax to a recent order, a local customer alerted us to the issue.
So that's the color I got.
Tom Letourneau bought 2 pairs of shoes from a catalog. The company Hay-Band billed him $56.47 for the loafers and $3.96 for Rhode Island sales tax.
I'm not sending them the $3.90 Rhode Island sales tax, and they won't ship the order unless I do.
According to state law, clothing and footwear that cost $250 or less are exempt from Rhode Island's 7% sales tax.
Despite 4 attempts on my part informing this company of what the Rhode Island law is on everyday clothing and footwear, they ignored me to the point of rather curt, rude responses.
When we started asking questions about Tom's order, his shoes and sales tax were delivered. But Tom says he's not satisfied with the response.
It was a wake-up call to me. How much and how often is this happening?
We wanted to know the same thing. The Division of Taxation said it's not able to comment on individual taxpayer issues, but in general told us if retailers are attempting to collect sales tax on exempt footwear or clothing, consumers should report it to the agency. The Division of Taxation also said if a retailer collects Rhode Island sales tax from customers but deliberately fails to remit the tax, the retailer would be in violation of Rhode Island law and would be subject to civil and criminal penalties. We reached out to Hay-Band multiple times by phone and email. We never received a response to our questions. We also asked how much sales tax Rhode Island collected from retailers outside of Rhode Island. Through April of this year, the state said it has collected about $40 million. If you have a consumer problem you need help solving, contact our Call 12 for Action Center Monday through Thursday from 11 until 1. Our hotline is 228-1850. I'm Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.